Ever wondered how to transform your financial future? What if the key to unlocking your dreams of home ownership was as simple as mastering the art of budgeting? Picture this. Once there was a woman named Sarah. Sarah loved to shop, often finding herself making impulsive purchases based on the latest trends. However, Sarah soon realized that her spending habits were not sustainable, and her dream of owning a home seemed more and more like a distant fantasy. Sarah decided to take charge. She began by tracking her income and expenses, making note of every coffee, every new piece of clothing, and every bill. She was shocked to discover how much she was spending on things she didn't need. Sarah decided to set a budget. She prioritized her expenses, setting aside money for necessities first, and then allocating a portion for savings. She set realistic goals and made a commitment to stick to her budget. Months turned into years, and Sarah's financial situation began to change. Her savings grew, and she found herself with extra money at the end of each month. She was in control of her finances, and her dream of owning a home was becoming a reality. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of budgeting. It is a tool that encourages foresight and restraint, curbing impulsive purchases that could derail financial goals. To summarize, budgeting is a fundamental step towards financial success. It is a roadmap that guides you in understanding where every penny of your hard-earned money goes. It keeps you accountable and helps you make informed decisions about your spending habits. And most importantly, it is the key to realizing your dreams. Whether it's buying a new car, taking a vacation, or purchasing your dream home, budgeting can make it happen. So, the next time you find yourself contemplating a purchase, think about Sarah. Consider the power of budgeting and how it could change your financial future. After all, you can't know where you're going if you don't know where you are.